Welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to share something brand new, and the tofu gonna turn into sausage links. But this is a vegan and plant-based program, so I'm going to show you step by step. First, you will need one package, 14-ounce extra firm tofu. Try to get a non-GMO. So when you open the tofu package, make sure that wash it and rinse it thoroughly. Then this is a really simple recipe. One day then I think about, I want to make some tofu sausage. Then suddenly just God inspired me to put what ingredients put together to make sausage link. So praise God. So let's go ahead and mash really good with your hand. And tofu made from soybean products. One block of tofu contains 32 gram protein. So if you need a protein per day, when you eat one block tofu, you got all the proteins you need. Also, when you eat tofu every day, it will decrease the risk of heart diseases. Praise God, that's really, really good news. Because 1 out of 2 people suffer from heart diseases. Also, it will help you lower your cholesterol. Next one, you will need a half cup pecan meal. It's not pecan pieces. It's a pecan. It's like a flour, pecan flour. And also, if you don't have pecan meal, you can use walnut meals. You need a half cup. And next, you need 1 cup breadcrumbs. And I made my own homemade breadcrumbs from my whole wheat flour. So if you like to make your own homemade breadcrumbs, put some bread in the food processor and put it in the oven for about 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And it comes out nice. So mine is a little browner. But if you like to have gluten-free sausage links, you can use gluten-free breadcrumbs. Yeah. And next you will need 3/4 teaspoon sea salt and 2 teaspoons sweet basil. And this is another easy dumping, nutritious, delicious recipe. Then I'm using 1 teaspoon sage. The other day, I studied about sage and I found a wonderful health benefit for you. And it contains vitamin A and C and K and very high antioxidants. It will prevent you from getting a cancer. Also, listen to this one. Kill virus. What did I say? Kill virus. Yes, and bacteria. And also, a lot of people are suffering from pain. It's wonderful for pain and memory disorder like a dementia. A lot of people have dementia or Alzheimer's disease and the depression. So grow some sage, or if you cannot grow, buy some sage and use it in your recipes or make a tea. And I'm gonna grow big sage plants. I did last year, but somehow they didn't make it. But I'm gonna get some. And next week you need 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast flakes. Then you will need a 1/4 cup water. Then I'm going to have some my sanitation glove on. And we are going to mix with this hand. Yeah. And I am hooked on this sausage really. It's so delicious. And even though someone don't like the tofu, you try this one for your family who doesn't like tofu. And don't tell them it's made of tofu. Just introduce them the delicious health meal. Then later you can just tell them, oh, that's made of tofu. I have to tell the funny story. About 23 years ago, we became vegan. And my husband hates tofu. That's a strong word. He wouldn't do anything, he wouldn't taste anything I made with tofu. So I made carrot ice cream with the tofu, and he loved it. So I told him that, do you know that I made it with the tofu? He said, I don't care, honey, make some more. This is really good ice cream. So since then, he tried everything I made with the tofu, and he really loves it. And I will need a cookie sheet. Go and turn your oven at 350 degrees. Guess what? I need either 1/4 cup size or I need an ice cream scooper. So let me go get an ice cream scooper. This one is about 1/4 cup. So just scoop it out. Then just work with it. Now you need to make about 4 inches. Guess what? I need a ruler. Don't forget 2 things today. Yeah, this is okay. I got this one from Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, I think. $1. So I need about 4 inches length. So this is about 4 inches. That way I can make them all same size. Then roll it to make a nice and appearance outside. Like that. Then tuck it in the end. Just roll it. After that, this is breadcrumbs. You need to roll it in the breadcrumbs. And it has a beautiful appearance. How about that? You can make about 11 sausage link. Okay, I'm going to show you one more time in case you missed it. All right. The press down, then you just make a length for the sausage length. Then just work with the hand. How many inches? How long it should be? Yeah, that's right, 4 inches. So this is about 4 inches. Then roll it. Roll it with the hand. It's really pretty and delicious and nutritious. And eating like this, it will give you lots of benefit from protein. Okay, the next time you just roll it into breadcrumbs. Okay, looks good, doesn't it? I'm going to show you only 2. I'll finish rest later. Okay, so I'm going to show you finished products. You are going to bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And this is how it will look. And this is very fun. Okay. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So how simple, easy it is to make tofu sausage link. So if you like to see the close-up finished product photo, it's going to be at the end of the show. If you like the written recipe, click in the show more below the video. Thank you for watching. I see you until next program. God richly bless you.